Hi there, I'm Keith, Engineering Manager at Sof Tek in Redding, California. Thank you so much for looking to our Beckhoff trainer. Beckhoff is a leader in industrial automation. They demonstrate huge gains in speed and reduced latency. So we're very glad you're looking to it. Let's take a few minutes and I'll show you what we have here. Basically, we have a circuit breaker, power supply, and the Beckhoff C6015 unit. This is the computer that's driving the modules we have here, which are a couple of inputs and outputs, digital, and then we have a safety slice and some analog inputs and outputs. What you need to know about this is plug it into 110 volt at this end. Take your EtherCAT cable, plug that into the top of your IPC, and plug the other end into a computer or network device to ensure that your computer is going to connect to it. The second thing is grab hold of your zip drive, plug it in, and up will come a README folder file, and simply just follow it. You follow it step by step, it'll take you through what you need to get this running here. There's lots of things that you can do with this device. You might want to plug different inputs and outputs in, experiment with different projects that you might have, and feel free to call us anytime. We'd be glad to help. 530-680-4783. Thanks so much. We look forward to hearing how your experience goes.